Alright guys, as promised, I took a dub. I mean, I always take dubs. I'm sorry. Okay. Alright. Just ruined the whole video. Alright. 4 hour, what did I see? I was bearish today. I was bearish because we're really uncorrelated, and also we didn't sweep London lows yet. And bro, we were literally following every bearish Peter possible. The only thing was that we were in a 4 hour gap to the upside. I hate when we were in a 4 hour gap to the upside. We were not anymore, but I knew we were just gonna rip through this because we were so bearish. This is 4 hour, but I didn't even mark it out. I did not care. 1 hour, I'll show you what was going on here. So boom, we had this 1 hour gap, tapped, dumped. 1 hour gap, tap, dumped. Okay. Coming into the 15-minute, I'm just flying through this real quick. Coming into the 15-minute, that was a fucking rejection block. I really don't trade rejection blocks. I was marking it out. We had this 15-minute gap here. At the time, it was just getting balanced. So I put it at the top. Okay, we tap. Well, here's the gap right here, and then I gotta like zoom in here for you. All right, as you can see, we pushed in this gap, pushed lower, make great moves lower. We get like this huge candle to the upside. We hit 0.5, and we also get a SMT right here. This SMT, so this to this, which would have been this to this. Okay, huge SMT. As long as, and we also hit 0.5, and like amazing, bearish, amazing. Okay, everything looked good. I actually entered off of a 3-minute. This was stupid on my part. This is the only thing I would have done different, was waiting for another change in state of delivery, or like another, yeah, see this gap, and then it started dumping again. I wish I would have waited for that. You know, I know I got a better entry than when I didn't do that, but in my opinion, it was, I mean, I don't know. I'm glad I did. I got a better entry, but still, I should have waited. So then, you know, I entered, literally one entry was, I just entered on this down candle, one was right here, and I was like, all right, I need to risk a little more because my take profit was way too low, and you know, it actually would have ended up getting hit, but I didn't want it to be like at like where this order block was that I had marked out. Then that was really it. I just took it off the, let me just kind of get like a little more precise here. So we had this 3-minute gap that got inversed on this very nice displacement candle right here, and then I entered right when it closed. I put two micros for my 150 winning day, and then price just continued to dump. I just kind of had it set at 150 a profit, because I knew, well, 150 would have been like, if I wanted more money, right, I would have, it wasn't bad. I just set it at 150, so it was up closer. There's no problem with doing that. That's just me being less greedy. So, and it wasn't out of me being scared. I just wanted, there's no point. I can't go over like 150, 180, 200, like $200 or something. So yeah, that's really just the trade. And then, I mean, there's really nothing else to it. Like, this was very easy, simple trade. I really have not that much to recap on this one. That's about it. Bearish confluences, tapped into a 15-minute gap with 0.5, also having an SMT, and we enter off a 3-minute IMVG. We should have waited for if we waited for a change state delivery, that would have been better, but we didn't. It's okay, it worked out still. And yeah, that's the trade. Hope you guys got some good wins today. I mean, market hopefully will move better than it has recently. I'm guessing it will. We also have FOMC at 10 o'clock today, so yeah, guys. See you Thursday, not Friday. Yeah. All right.